gum has lost its flavor. This spot is fine. Bye-bye, gum. It sounds like a bird in trouble. Oh no! You poor little thing! You're stuck in gum! I can't pull you. I might hurt your legs. I need help. Rescue team! Please help! It's an emergency in the park!
This is the rescue center. Go ahead, Annie.
A little bird is stuck in bubblegum on a bench. It can't move!
Understood. Don't touch it, Annie. We're on our way.
Listen up, team. Code Green in the park. A small wildlife rescue.
Robocar Poli rescue team, move out!
A sparrow stuck in gum?
That sounds
Sticky. I'll go ahead and check the situation.
My wind is scaring it! It's trying to fly away, but it's stuck!
Sirens! Helly, fly higher! We need a perimeter of silence. The bird is too fragile for loud noises.
Approaching slowly. Oh, Poli! Amber! It's getting worse! The gum is getting hard!
Scanning the substance. It's synthetic rubber, sugar, and polymers. Bubblegum.
Heat has made the gum sticky, but as it cools in the wind, it's hardening like cement.
If we pull, we'll break the bird's legs.
Can I blast it with water?
No! The pressure is too high for a small bird. We need chemistry, not force. I have a biosolvent. It dissolves sticky bonds safely. Everyone stay back. I need surgical precision.
The wind is scaring him!
Roy, we need to make a windbreak. Block the wind.
Shield wall engaged. Hey, Bigfoot, it's okay, little one. I'm here to help. Easy now. Easy. Applying solvent. This will break down the stickiness. The solvent works like a key, unlocking the sticky molecules so they let go. Just a little more. Almost there. The wing feathers are very delicate. I have to be extremely careful not to pull them out. You can do it, Amber. You can do it, Amber.
It's free.
Fly safe, little one. You saved him! Thank you, Amber! You're amazing! I saw that. That was my gum.
Kevin, littering isn't just messy. It can be very dangerous for animals.
I didn't know a bird would get stuck. I'm really sorry. I won't do it again.
Did someone say mess? Don't worry, I'll clean this up in a jiffy. Scrub, scrub, shine! Good as new!
Great job, Kevin!
Mission accomplished, rescue team. Return to base.
Amber, that was some fancy science back there.
Sometimes being gentle is the strongest power of all. Today's safety tip. Never spit gum on the ground or on benches.
It sticks to shoes, tires, and our animal friends.
Always wrap your gum in paper and throw it in the trash bin. And remember the science. Solvents are liquids that can dissolve other substances.
Water is a solvent for dirt, but for sticky gum, we needed a special oil-based solvent. Water is a solvent for dirt, but for sticky gum, we needed a special oil-based solvent.
Hey! I'm stuck! Hey! I'm stuck!
Don't worry, Helly. I still have some solvent left. Free you go. Yippee! No more gum for me!
Remember, if you find a hurt animal, keep your distance and keep quiet. Loud noises scare them, and never try to fix a dangerous situation yourself. Call the rescue team or an adult. Good work today, team. Sleep tight. Good night, everyone. Ha! Of dust on my watch. Gotcha. Ah! Next him on Robocar Poli.
We have a fire to fight.
The wind is too strong. The wind is too strong. Hold on tight. Hold on tight.